First revealed in 2017, the Faraday Future FF91 boasts 1050 horsepower from a trio of electric motors, with 2 on the rear axle and 1 up front, giving it a claimed sprint to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. But the California-based company has struggled to bring the crossover, which stretches nearly as long as a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, to production due to financial woes and has pushed back production dates numerous times. But the company claimed in late 2022 that it had received a 381-mile range rating from the EPA, and aims to start building FF91s at its factory in California in March 2023, with deliveries commencing in April. The FF91 is expected to cost around $200,000. Caleb Miller. 2. Get ready for the GMC Sierra AV, the brand's first electric pickup truck. While it shares bones with the extroverted GMC Hummer EV, the Sierra is less extreme in many ways. That doesn't mean initial examples will be as affordable as its corporate counterpart, the upcoming Chevy Silverado EV. The electric Sierra will launch sometime in early 2024 with only the Denali Edition 1. This top-spec model includes a 754 horsepower all-wheel drive powertrain with an estimated 400 miles of range, but it'll cost nearly $109,000. That six-figure price includes GM Super Cruise hands-free driving system, rear-wheel steering that enables crab walk, and an interior with the nicest materials GMC offers. Thankfully, less expensive Sierra AV models will follow in 2025. Eric Stafford. 3. Built on the same eGMP platform as the Ioniq 5 mentioned above, the Ioniq 7 will be similar to the current 3-row Palisade in size. Currently, Hyundai has only shown us this concept, but judging by its current design language on production models, it's possible the real 7 could look even crazier. On a bigger SUV like this, we expect a large battery that could support at least 300 miles of range. Austin Irwin. 4. Hyundai says it will launch 11 new electric models by 2030. Genesis, the company's luxury-minded brand, will gain 6 new models that consist of 2 cars and 4 SUVs. Kia will sell 14 EVs by 2027 with plans for 2 electric pickup trucks, although not all of these new EVs from Hyundai and Kia are destined to reach the U.S. market. Caleb Miller. 5. Aston Martin relaunched the Lagonda name as an electric luxury brand, revealing an SUV concept in 2019 that was supposed to reach production by 2022. But after Canadian billionaire Lawrence Stroll orchestrated a buyout of the struggling company in 2020, the Lagonda sub-brand was reportedly delayed until 2025. No updates on the revival have surfaced since. With Aston Martin's difficulty bringing the Valhalla and Vanquish mid-engine supercars to production after a clunky rollout of the V12-powered Valkyrie, we're not sure if the Lagonda SUV will ever see the light of day. Caleb Miller. 6. Autos revealed their upcoming 900 horsepower EV SUV this year, which will be produced in Wuhan, China, and arrive in the US sometime in 2024. The entry model promises a whopping 600 horsepower with all-wheel drive. Lotus claims the Electra will have roughly 315 miles of range and an 800-volt battery that can replenish 2/3 of its battery in 20 minutes using a 350 kilowatts fast charger. The Electra is shaping up to be the quickest vehicle Lotus has ever produced. Austin Irwin. 7. The new Grayscale crossover will be a key part of Maserati's expanding EV lineup. All Maserati EVs will wear the Folgore name, that means lightning in Italian, and Maserati has now revealed the 2024 Grayscale Folgore alongside the standard model. The gas-powered 2023 Grayscale GT, Medina, and Trofeo models are scheduled to arrive this summer, while the Folgore won't reach the US until fall 2023. Joey Caparella. 8. Mercedes-Benz is giving the EV treatment to its beloved G-Wagon. The company debuted this concept at the 2021 Munich Auto Show. The EQG will have a motor at each wheel for four-wheel drive capability. Details on pricing, range, and horsepower haven't been revealed. Few automakers have teased an off-road EV, but when the EQG comes out, likely next year, it will compete with the GMC Hummer EV. Austin Irwin. 9. The Volkswagen ID Space Vision concept made its debut at the Los Angeles Auto Show, where it looked very production-ready. It will be VW's third US EV offering, coming in 2022. Although wagons are a perpetually tough sell in the US, VW touts its large interior and high aerodynamic efficiency, which helped to boost the large wagon's range to a claimed 300 miles. Dave Vanderwerp. 10. The EX90, Volvo's first EV designed from the ground up, provides the first look at the future of the Swedish brand. All EX90s will come with a dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain, with 402 horsepower in the entry-level model or 496 horsepower in the twin-motor performance variant. The styling is inspired by the concept Recharge, with Volvo's distinctive Thor's hammer headlights. As always, safety is a primary concern for the brand, with Volvo promising it will their safest car yet. The EX90 uses a 400-volt architecture, targeting a range of up to 300 miles. A 250.0 kilowatt-hour connection allows the EX90 to charge from 10 to 80% in approximately 30 minutes. The electric EX90 will likely carry a price premium over the gas-powered XC90, with more details arriving before it goes on sale in 2024. Jack Fitzgerald.